It's Juneau. It's nice day, beautiful and sunny.
This is a good photographer.
Thank you.
And this is
Oh, I forgot to bring my sunglasses.
di tukang foto. Oh, menjadi mana? Vietnam. Yeah, enjoy.
Where are you going, guys?
Vietnam.
Aku mau Vietnam, tapi mereka mau makan king crab. Vietnam mana?
Jauh ke sono.
Jauh. Tadi nggak di itu. That's a tram. We have to wait for the next one. 15 perak untuk karyawan, kalau untuk tamu $45.
We are on our way up to the Shahid. Shahid is a Tlingit word for the mountain house. We are ascending 1,800 feet above sea level on the only aerial tramway here in southeast Alaska. Gold Belt Tramway is owned and operated by Gold Belt Inc., which is a local Alaska Native corporation. We were built reserved in stone.
There we are this
As
side.
you venture down to the sky, Gold Belt Tramway is it features a gallery of genuine artifacts. Go on in and admire the quality.
Serem loh lihat ke depan kayak mau nabrak pohonnya gitu.
He does much of his work right there in the gallery. And while at Gold Belt Trail overlooks the beautiful view of the Juneau and we're here in southeast Alaska. And nobody gives us valuable items outside of those windows because if they drop, they're gone.
Tapi ninja ini kan udah mau dibuat.
Itu di sana gunung-gunung. Ini masih banyak salju.
Lala. Enggak enak, soalnya ada matahari.
Lewat mana sih ya kemarin waktu itu?
Ke sana ya.
Baca.
Sana loh Kak, naik ke atas sana loh.
Ayo.
Dari sini? Hah?
Lewat sini, Putri. Ini lihat sini. Push.
Aqui já tá bom lá em cima.
Olá, Brasil. Quem que é? Ani, kenapa kamu bisa sampai atas?
Buru. Sini aku pancing. Licin.
Lucin, kok kamu bisa ke atas sih?
Sini aku pancing. Sini aku pancing. Aduh. Es. Esnya masuk ke dalam sepatu, aduh dingin banget. Ngerekam bus.
Oh, ikiku biar dibenerin dulu deh. Ini biar cakep banget. Because right here, my hair is not like what I expected. Oh.
Sebentar aku mau duduk asik.
As
Tidur di es.
takut gue Kak kalau jatuh.
Ini nyampe cabin aja udah. For you.
Of Tlingit people that occupied this sector of southeast Alaska. The Aquan, or the Small Lake people, and Takuquan, or Geese Flood upriver people. Basically, the Ak people are on this side of the bridge, in the village site called Flounder at the base of the creek, and the Taku people are from the other side, called Where the Sun Rays Touch First. And historical sources suggest some village sites on the Taku River and in the Juneau Douglas and Ogden areas have been inhabited for well over 750 years. So the Ak tribe and the Taku tribe have lived harmoniously and shared villages in this area for centuries.
Kemana-mana yang namanya pulang itu cepet
Chief
loh.
Howie was the leader of the Ak people when they occupied a
Terus
village
ini
on
kan
Ak
cuma
Bay,
tinggal meluncur.
about 13 miles northwest of
Telinga
downtown.
kamu itu enggak sih? Kayak di dalam
Seasonal
pesawat.
festivals associated with the harvest of herring during the spawning season. They then moved to another traditional Ak village site, founded by Tlingit ancestors in the heart of downtown Juneau, is known today as the Juneau Indian Village.
Juneau Indian Village.
Prospectors Richard Harris and Joe Juneau were sent to the Ak region by George visiting Gold Creek, after which Juneau was founded in the same year. After the discovery of gold in the area, Harris and Juneau carried approximately 1,000 pounds of gold ore back to Sitka for their investor, George Pills. The Juneau Gold Rush of 1880 resulted in some of the largest gold mines in the world, including the Treadwell mines on Douglas Island. Mayflower Island, across from the Douglas Indian Village, was a
Tadi kita di atas sana. Dan sekarang kita udah di bawah. Mau masuk kandang. Oke. Makasih udah ngikutin petualangan kita. Dadah, sampai jumpa.